What is up, you amazing people? If you're new around here, thank you for subscribing. You know, it's kind of crazy to think that we actually hit 100 subscribers, let alone hit it way before my goal. You see, I actually thought we were going to be hitting this and predicted and set a goal for myself to hit this in November. This is a really crazy thing. So I'm so thankful for all you amazing people who've subscribed, commented, liked the videos, hitting these like goals, all that amazing stuff. We're not going to be doing the giveaway today. Tomorrow, I want to let you guys know, tomorrow's going to be the giveaway. I'm going to be releasing that, and I am going to draw the giveaway at 3 p.m. Central Time. Make sure to check out the link down below. Make sure to get your entered, please. I would normally be doing the giveaway today, but there's quite the fact of the matter is that there's only been 12 people who've actually entered it, and I know there's more than 12 of you out there who want the opportunity to win this new GoPro. So please, from the bottom of my heart, make sure to check out that giveaway link down below. Make sure to subscribe if you want. All you have to do is subscribe, but follow that link. Make sure you have a point value. You just have to follow it, register, and just show that you're subscribed. And it'll tell me you guys have a point value and everything like that, and that'll be amazing when you guys are entered to win. I don't want to only have the opportunity for 12 people. I want all you amazing new people as well to have that opportunity. And like I said before, if you don't win this one, that's okay. There's gonna be more giveaways in the future, more exciting content in the future. That's all we have for this one today. So make sure, from the bottom of my heart, just check it down below, and you guys have a great one. This is a pretty short video today.